I'm going to talk about the upcoming pattern. Let's look at weather warnings first. Not doing Niagara. Okay, we could do Niagara Falls City. So Niagara Falls City is gonna get some. Oh, that's in US, so doesn't count for anything. So there is no weather warnings actually. So let's look at pressure patterns. So 7 p.m. Zoom out to southern Ontario. So 1008, 1012, 1016 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. 1004, 1000 millibars of pressure, 1004 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 24 hours after that, which is 7 p.m. So 1016, 1020 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So 1020, 1060 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. So 1024, 1020, 1028 millibars of pressure. Let's go to next hour, which is precipitation patterns. So it's going to go from February 20th and February to February 23rd. Could be a little bit off. So let's go to skip 10 a.m. So 1 p.m. There is nothing else. Well, 4 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. 10 p.m. There's nothing else. 7 a.m. There is something. So Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Niagara Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, rainfall. So London doesn't count. Queensway doesn't count. So let's go to 10 a.m. So Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Beatty, Beverly Hills, Georgia, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So Hamilton, Oakville, Niagara Lake, Portland, Niagara Falls City, Oshawa with some mixed with snowfall. So those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. So Oshawa, Ontario, mixed with rainfall is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Uxbridge, Meteorology, Oshawa. So Cobourg, Belleville, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including lines at OB. So let's look at Peterborough. Peterborough is gonna get some actually 0.25 millimeters of snowfall most of the time. So parts of Niagara Falls is going to get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So snow. So Whiteham, Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Midland, Orla, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Oakville, Hamilton, Niagara Falls City, those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of rainfall. Niagara Falls on the lake. Niagara on the lake is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of rainfall. So Barrie is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Sotheby, Lionshead, OB is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville is gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to London. There is nothing else, no cities left. So let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, parts of Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, parts of it. It's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So southeastern, southwestern, and southern Scarborough is gonna get some 0.2.5 millimeters of rainfall, including Niagara Falls City, Oakville, Hamilton. So Stouffville's are the closest Scarborough, so it doesn't need to change. So Port Sawasha doesn't count. So Uxbridge, Georgia, Olalla, Beatty, Olalla's wrong place. Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Lionshead, Obey, Dorset are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Beverly Hills is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go back. No, let's don't go back. So the stuff from random place. So Peterborough is gonna get some 0.25, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Belleville's gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to Oshawa. So Oshawa is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall and 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Belleville's before the rainfall. Actually, snow came before the rainfalls. So for Oshawa will come. So Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Wyatown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So Line said it's gonna get some Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Barrie, Georgia. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Uxbridge. So Hope's Bay is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. So Lionshead, Bay, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Mississauga, Brampton, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Beverly Hills. So Coburg is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Peterborough is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. With 2.5 millimeters is in Beverly Hills. So Eastern Oakville is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Adela, Barrie, Georgia. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Port Elgin Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow for Hamilton, Oakville, Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to 10 a.m. So Line said, Obey, Watertown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Stouffville, Hamilton, Oakville, Eastern Local, Central Local, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow finally in the markets. So orange well doesn't count actually. So let's go orange will later counts, including the market. It's gonna go away the snowfall. So but for now it doesn't count for orange will but it counts for new markets. So let's go to next hour, which is Hamilton's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. So Lionshead, Obey, Warrington, Boylston, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Barrie, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. Lionshead, Obey, Warrington, Boylston, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Salaby, Midland, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Ports and Niagara and Lake Dosage are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Orangeville, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Dosage are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So in parts of Niagara and Lake Niagara Falls, it's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including Hanover. So let's go to next hour, 7 p.m. So Hopes Bay, Boyles in Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley Beach, Salaby, Midland, Orla, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Orla again. So Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Niagara on the Lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow, including Hamilton, Oakville, Western, way before. Like Southwestern, so parts of Niagara Falls City is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of rainfall, including parts of Niagara on the Lake. So Line said it's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. White is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Cobex is nothing for now. So let's go to 10 p.m. So Hobsby, Port Elgin, Hanover, Wyerton, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Milan, Adela, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara on the Falls City, so Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Downtown Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Dorset are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Lineside is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is which is 7 a.m. So Lions Head, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Orla again. So London, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snow facts of London. Ignore London. So let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. So this is not Southern Ontario, full Southern Ontario yet. So Lineshead, Obey, Warriortown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Newmarket, Orangeville, Stouffville, Uxbridge, Peterborough, so Belleville, Oshawa, Scarborough, Toronto, Richmond, Mississauga, Brampton, Oakville, Hamilton, Argonne, Lake parts of Niagara Falls City, Cobourg. Those seats are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snow. For parts of Niagara Falls City is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snow. For with some parts of Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to 1 p.m. So I'm going to check if it's whole Southern Ontario. So Kingston's part of Southern Ontario. So this is so let's go to back to Toronto. So view. So Lionshead, Obey, Warrenton, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara on the Lake parts of Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. With some parts of Niagara Falls City, 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So, Lionshead, Obey, Warrenton, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Nunning, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 7 p.m. So, Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, London, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunnybeach, Salaby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 10 p.m. So final hour of the day. So Lionshead, Obey, Port Elgin, Hanover, Wyerton, Collingwood, Bombay, Stanley, Salaby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So, Collingwood, Thunder Beach, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Oakville, Hamilton, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So, let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. Lionshead, Obey, Wartown, Boylston, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunnybeach, Sotheby, Midland, Orla, Beatty, Georgina, Beverly Hills, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 1 p.m. So, line said, obey Wartown, Boylton, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Midland, Orla, Betty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. Hamilton, Oakville, a little bit of Central Oakville, still. Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Dutton, Ontario, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Oshawa, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Collingwood, Hopes Bay, Line said those cities are going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. 7 p.m. So Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 117. Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls City is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's look at total precipitation. Before that, let's check how long the video is after this setup. So how long video is 16 minutes. So White is 6 millimeters, Collingwood 7 millimeters, Brampton 9 millimeters, Mississauga 10 millimeters, Dr. Johnson 7 millimeters, Scarborough 10 millimeters, Mrs. Stoffels 9 millimeters, Richmond Hills 9 millimeters, Newmarket 6 millimeters, Orange Falls 8 millimeters, Uxbridge 6 millimeters, Oshawa is 10 millimeters, Peterborough 16 millimeters, 15 millimeters in Coburg, Belleville's 20 millimeters, Hamilton's 8 millimeters, Oakville 8 millimeters, 8.5 in Niagara on the Lake, everywhere in Niagara Falls City actually, so line said it'll be whatever, so that's actually 10 millimeters. So you didn't mark our info. So let's do Port Elgin. Port Elgin's gonna get some 6 millimeters. Hanover's gonna get some 5 millimeters. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Southern Bay is gonna be 6 millimeters, 7 millimeters. That's Palm Beach, Thunder Beach. Southern Bay 7 millimeters. Midland's actually 6 millimeters. Olala 6 millimeters. Georgia is gonna get some 6 millimeters. Barrie 7 millimeters. Beverly Hills 5 millimeters of rainfall. So let's go to next tower, which is 24 hours. Let's actually double check everything we start. So London. So let's go to next hour, actually, which is February 21st. So 7 p.m. White 3 millimeters, Collingwood 3 millimeters, Newmarket 2 millimeters, Orangeville 2 millimeters, Stouffville 2 millimeters, Scarborough 2 millimeters, Toronto 2 millimeters, Brampton 2 millimeters, Mississauga 2 millimeters, Richmond Hills 2 millimeters, Oshawa 2 millimeters, Uxbridge 2 millimeters, Peterborough 3 millimeters, Coburg 2 millimeters, Belleville 3 millimeters, Hamilton Oakles 2 millimeters, everywhere in Niagara Falls 2.5 millimeters. Line said base 4 millimeters. Palm Beach is going to be 3 millimeters of rainfall. So Thunder Beach is going to be 4 millimeters. Solid Bay 3 millimeters. Barrie is 3 millimeters. Georgia, Beverly is 3 millimeters. Orlando is 1 millimeter. So Midland is 2 millimeters. So let's go to next tower. London. So let's go to next Port Elgin. So Port Elgin 3 millimeters. Hanover's 3 millimeters. 2.5. 3 millimeters actually. So wide is 3 millimeters. So let's go to Midland. Midland's already done. So let's go to next 24 hours, which is 7 p.m. February 22nd. White at 7 millimeters, Collingwood 5 millimeters, 5 millimeters in Brampton, Mississauga, Toronto 5 millimeters. Scarborough is gonna be 4.5 millimeters, Stouffville 4 millimeters, Newmarket Orange 4 millimeters, Oshawa Uxbridge 4 millimeters, Peterborough, Coburg 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters in Belleville, Hamilton, Oakville, Holdings 5 millimeters, everywhere in Niagara Falls 5 millimeters, so London. So Barrie is going to be 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, Georgina 3 millimeters, Beverly is 3 millimeters, Olala is going to be 2 millimeters, Solid Bay, Midland 3 millimeters, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach is going to be 3 millimeters. Line said Bay, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover is 7 millimeters of rainfall, so let's go to next tower, which is Oakville. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. February 23rd. So White 7 1 millimeters, Collingwood 2 millimeters, Brampton 1 millimeters, Mississauga 1 millimeters, South Toronto 2 millimeters, Scarborough 2 millimeters, Stouffville 2 millimeters, Newmarket, Orangeville 2 millimeters, Wilkes-Barre 2 millimeters, Oshawa 3 millimeters, Peterborough 2 millimeters, Cobourg 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, Belleville, Hamilton, Oakville 2 millimeters, everywhere in Niagara Falls 3 millimeters, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland is 1 millimeters, Lionshead, Bay 1 millimeter. Boyles in Hanover is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Georgina is 2 millimeters. Beverly Hills is 2 millimeters. Sorella Berries 1 millimeter. So let's do, oh, that's Lionshead Bay could be 1 millimeter. So doesn't need to change. So let's go to next tower, which is London. So let's go to next tower, which is, there is no next tower. Let's look at this. We wait few seconds actually. So let's look at total snowfalls. So clear this, exit clearing. So 24 hours of snowfall. So let's go to 7 p.m. So start from easiest. So Newmark is 2.2 centimeters. Orange was gonna be 2.2 centimeters. So it could be Brampton 1.2, Mississauga 1.2, Downtown is 0.6. Scarborough 1.2, Oshawa 2.6, Wilkes-Barre 3.5, Cobourg 8.7, Peterborough 8.5, 15.3, Belleville 17.1. So let's do the property. So Whiteson's 1.7. Poyolzen's gonna be 1.2. Hanover is gonna get some nothing actually. Sure, it could be nothing. Collingwood is 2.7 millimeters, centimeters. Sotheby is 1.5. Midland 4.5. Palm Beach, Sunday Beach is gonna be. It's going to be Fort Layer. It's going to be 3.7 centimeters in Palm Beach, Sunday Beach. So Alala is gonna get some 5 centimeters, so 4.9 centimeters. Georgina is gonna get some. So Georgina is gonna get some 2.4 centimeters. Beverly ISO is gonna get some. So Beverly ISO is gonna get some 1.1 centimeters of snowfall. So it's 1.2 actually. So 1.1 actually. So Barry's gonna get some for. So it's gonna be third layer. So it's going to be 2.5 centimeters. Actually, it's gonna be wrong. So it's gonna be fourth layer, which is 3.7 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. No, Hope's Way is going to be 5 centimeters, so 4.9 centimeters. Line set is going to be 5.5 centimeters of snowfall, which is very low, perfect. So 5.3 centimeters line set actually. So let's go to next tower, or cool. 7 p.m. February 22nd. So wire time is 2.6. Collingwood to 1.7. Brampton 1.0. Mississauga 1.1. Downtown Toronto 1.2. Scarborough 1.3. 2. 1.1 actually. Stouffville 1.4. Newmarket 1.3. Orangeville was 1.0. Wilkes-Barre 1.2.1. Oshawa is 1.0. Peterborough was 3.1. Cobourg 1.0. Belleville is 2.7. Hamilton, Oakville 0.9. Mississauga 0. It's 1 centimeters everywhere in Niagara Falls 0.9 centimeters. So let's go to Palm Beach. So Palm Beach is gonna get some 2.5 centimeters, 2.6 centimeters. That's actually wrong. So it's gonna be 2.7 centimeters in Tel Beach. Palm Beach 2.6. Solid Bay 2.3. Midland is gonna be 3.3, 2.4, 2.2, 2 centimeters is in Midland. Orala is gonna get some. Let's do it properly. So Orala is gonna get some. It's 2.3 centimeters, where he's gonna get some 2.5 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Georgina is gonna get some 2. No, it's 9 centimeters, actually 2.7. So Beverly ISO is gonna get some 1.8 centimeters. Hobbs Bay is going to get some. So Hobbs Bay is gonna get some 3.6 centimeters of snowfall, but it's like 3.5. So Lion's Head is gonna be 3.9 centimeters of snowfall. Port Elgin is gonna get some 1.3 centimeters. Hanover is gonna get some 1 point. So Hanover is actually is gonna get some 1.1 centimeters of snowfall. So that's Hanover. So let's go to next tower. Y times 2.6 centimeters. Let's go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. February 22nd. So Washington 6.9 centimeters, Collingwood 1.4.8 centimeters, Brampton 1.5 centimeters, Mississauga 4.5, Toronto's 4.5, Stouffville so 4.3, Scarborough 4.4, Newmarket Orangeville 4.4, Uxbridge is 3.7, Newmarket Orangeville 4.0, Oshawa is 3.5, Peterborough for 2.8, Coburg 3.0, Coburg Belleville 3.8 centimeters, so everywhere in Niagara Falls is gonna be 4.7 centimeters. Hamilton for 5 centimeters, Oakville heaviest 5 centimeters, lightest is going to be 4.9 centimeters. So 1 meter difference. So Boylston is gonna get some 7 centimeters. So Hanover is gonna get some 7.5. No, it's gonna be 6 centimeters of snowfall. So Hanover is actually 6 centimeters. So Collingwood is done. So Solid Bay is 2.9 centimeters. Midland's gonna get some 3 centimeters of snowfall. So Bomb Beach, Thunder Beach is gonna be 4 centimeters of snowfall. Like I said, Obey is gonna get some for 7.2 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Oh, let's go to 3.1 centimeters is going to be 3.1 centimeters. Beverly Ice is gonna get some 3.76. It's gonna be 3.7 centimeters. Barry's gonna be 3.7 centimeters. Solala is already going to be 2.7 centimeters of snowfall, or actually 2.8 centimeters. So let's go to next tower this time, London. So let's go to next tower. So the actual next tower. So 7 p.m. So February 24th. So Whiteton is 1.2 centimeters, Collingwood 1.7 centimeters, Brampton 1.5, Mississauga 1.7, Toronto 1.8, Scarborough 1.9, Stouffville 1.2 centimeters, Newmarket is 1.7, Orangewood 1.6, Uxbridge 2.8, 3, Oshawa is 2.8, Peterborough 2.1, Coburg 1.9, Belleville 1.9, so Hamilton Locals 1.6, Mississauga is going to be 1.7, everywhere around Niagara Falls is going to be 3 centimeters of snowfall. So let's Perry is gonna be 1.3 centimeters. Georgina is gonna get some 1.7. Beverly Isle is gonna get some 1.5 centimeters. Solala is gonna get some 1.7 centimeters. So let's go to London. Solid Bay 1.1 centimeters. Midlands gonna be 1.2 centimeters. Palm Beach Thunder Beach is gonna be 1.0.91 centimeters of snowfall. So Line said is gonna get some 1 centimeters. Hope's Bay 1.2 centimeters. So Line says one it could be 1 centimeters. So Boy Earls is 0. No, it's going 1 centimeters. Hana is 1 centimeters also. So let's go to next tower, which is total sleet and freezing rains. So let's actually wait for 10 seconds. Air temperature patterns. So let's start from 3 p.m. So White 4 degrees, Collingwood 1 degrees, Brampton 1 degrees, Mississauga 1 degrees, Toronto 1 degrees, Scarborough 1 degrees, Stouffville 1 degrees, Newmarket 1 degrees, Onisworth 0 degrees, Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Coburg 1 degrees, Belleville 1 degrees, Hamilton, Oakville 1 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls 4.5 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland 1 degrees, Solala 1 degrees. Line said Bay is gonna be 1 degrees. So Boylston, Hanover is gonna be 4 degrees. So Hanover is actually going to be 4 degrees. So let's go to next tower. Oh, Beverly Hills, Georgia is going to be 1 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is. So let's go to next tower, which is 7 a.m. So Whiteton 2 degrees, Collingwood 1 degrees, Brampton, Mississauga with 2 degrees, Toronto with 2 degrees, Scarborough 1.5, Stouffville 1 degrees. Newmarket Orangeville 1 degrees, Uxbridge 1 degrees, Oshawa 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Coburg with 2 degrees, Belleville 1 degrees, Hamilton Oakville 2 degrees, everywhere 2 degrees in Niagara Falls. So Boylston, Hanover is 2 degrees, Lions Head, OB. It's going to be 2 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland 1 degree, Solala, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills 1 degrees. So Oakville coldest temperature 2 degrees, warmest also 2 degrees, so it's gonna be points, so like 2.5 degree or just less. So off. So let's go to next hour, which is London. Okay, let's do next hour, 3 p.m. So 38 hours of the model run. So line said OB is gonna get some 2 degrees Collingwood, 1 degrees Wartime, Boyles in Hanover is gonna get some 3 degrees. So Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Southern Beach, Midland, Orlando, Beatty, Beverly Hills, Georgia is gonna be 1 degrees, Beverly Hills is 2 degrees. So Newmarket, Orange will be 1 degree, Stoffel 1 degree, Scarborough 2 degrees, South Toronto 2 degrees, Mississauga 2 degrees, Brampton 2 degrees, Richmond Hills 2 degrees. So 1 degrees in Wilkes-Barre, Chester 1 degrees, Peterborough 1 degrees, Cobourg 1 degrees, Belleville 1 degrees, Hamilton 4 degrees. So equal, cold is 4 degrees, warm is 2 degrees. So that's local. Everywhere in Anarch was 7 degrees, London, whatever. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. 7 a.m. So White minus 1, Collingwood minus 2, Brampton, no, Newmarket's minus 2, Stoffel minus 2, Scarborough minus 1, Brampton, Mississauga, down Toronto, 0 degrees, which means 0 degree, minus 1 actually. So Oshawa is minus 3, Uxbridge minus 5, Hamilton is 2 degrees, Oakville 2 degrees, Oakville warmest temperature is 1 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees, so Cobourg minus 3, Peterborough minus 4, Belleville minus 5, Georgia is going to be minus 3, Beverly is minus 3, Barrie is minus 3, Ottawa is going to be minus 3, Solid Bay minus 3, Midland minus 3, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be minus 3 degrees. So line said, oh, Bay minus 3 degrees. Wales in 0 degrees. Hanover is going to get some 1 degrees. Hanover is actually 0 degrees. So let's go to actually 1 degrees. So London. Let's go to next hour. Orange will minus 2. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So the Hobbs Bay line said is going to be minus 1 degrees, Collingwood minus 2. So Thunder Beach, Solid Bay minus 2. Palm Beach is going to be minus 2. Midland's going to be minus 2 degrees. So Ottawa is going to be minus 3 degrees. Georgia, Beverly is Barrie minus 3 degrees. Newmarket, Orangeville minus 3 degrees. Stoffel minus 3 degrees. Minus 2.5 degrees is in Scarborough. Down Brampton, Mississauga, down Toronto, Richmond Hills minus 2 degrees. Oshawa is minus 3. Uxbridge minus 4 degrees. Minus 4. Peterborough. Cobourg minus 3. Belleville minus 3. Hamilton 0 degrees, Oakville 0 degrees, Mississauga is minus 2 degrees, everywhere in Niagara Falls is 1 degrees. So Boyles in Hanover is going to be 1 degrees. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Milano. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. White minus 5, Collingwood minus 7. Newmarket minus 7, Orangeville minus 7, Stoffel minus 7, Scarborough minus 6, down Toronto minus 5, Brampton minus 6, Mississauga minus 5, Richmond Hill is going to be minus 6 degrees, Oshawa minus 7, Uxbridge minus 8, Peterborough minus 9, Cobourg minus 7, Belleville minus 8, Hamilton minus 2, Oakville minus 2, Mississauga is minus 5, everywhere, Niagara Falls minus 2 degrees, Solid Bay, Thunder Beach, Palm Beach minus 6 degrees, Midland minus 7 degrees, so minus 6.5 actually. So line said Bay is going to be minus 4 degrees. So Georgia minus 7, Beverly Hills is Barrie minus 8, Orilla minus 7 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is London. So let's go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So Whiteham minus 4, Collingwood minus 5, Brampton minus 3, Mississauga minus 2, Tatranada minus 2, Scarborough minus 2, minus 3, Stoffel, Scarborough minus 2.5, Newmarket minus 4, Orangeville minus 4, Uxbridge minus 5, Oshawa minus 3, Peterborough is minus 5, Cobourg minus 3, Belleville minus 3, Hamilton minus 2, Oakville minus 2, everywhere in Niagara Falls 1 degrees. So line said Bay minus 4 degrees, Solid Bay minus 2, Midland minus 2, minus 3 Bomb Beach, Tan Beach minus 2 degrees. So Port Elgin is going to be minus 3 degrees. So minus 3 Hanoi is going to get some minus 3.5 degrees. So let's go to Ottawa. Ottawa is going to be minus 3 degrees. Georgia, Beverly is Barrie minus 4 degrees. So every So let's go to Oko's warmest temperature actually -3. So coldest temperature -2. Actually, warmest temperature is -2, coldest temperature is -3. So let's go to next hour, which is let's do it properly this time. So let's go to next hour actually this time. So it is 7 a.m. White -4, Collingwood -4, Brampton -4, Mississauga -3, Dundee -3, Scarborough -3.5. Stouffville -4, Newmarket -5, Orangeville -5, so -5 degrees, Uxbridge -5, Oshawa -4, Peterborough -5, Cobourg -3, Belleville -3, Hamilton -3, Oakland -3, everywhere in Arc Falls -1, Lionshead, OB -4, Bombay, Dunbeat, Sotheby, Midland -4 degrees, Georginia -4 degrees, Beverly Hills -4 degrees, -5 Barrie, Olala -5 degrees, so that's the wrong place, so orange was actually is going to be -5 degrees. So we're not going to correct order this time. So order this one place missing. So so this is the end of the week. Oh, Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be -4 degrees. So this is the end of the week, almost there. So let's go to 4 p.m. So -6 in Whitetown, Collingwood -5, Brampton -2, Mississauga -1. Downtown onto -1, Stouffville -2, Scarborough -1.5, Orangeville -3, -3.5 is in Orangeville, Uxbridge -3, Oshawa -1, Peterborough -0, Cobourg 1 degrees, Belleville 1 degrees, Hamilton 1 degree, -1, Oakland -1, whole local is actually -1, everywhere in Niagara Falls -1.5, London by the way. Boyle -6, Hanover is gonna get some -6.5 degrees. So Hobbs Bay line said is gonna get some -6.5 degrees. So Lug Bay is -3 degrees. Palm Beach is gonna be -3 degrees. Thunder Beach is gonna get some -5 degrees. So -5 degrees is in. Actually, let's do that properly again. So -4.5 is in Thunder Beach. Midland is gonna get some. -3 is in Midlands, so it's actually Midlands. So Georginia -2, actually 1.5. -2 is in Georginia. Beverly Hills is gonna be -2 degrees, very close. Barrie is gonna be -2.5 degrees, so it's gonna be very close to -3. So actually not very close. So Orla is gonna get some -2 degrees. Some is gonna be -2 degrees in Orla. So, but if it's say Orla's at the top of Lake Simcoe, that's the wrong place. Should be L- Low City Lake Single. And so if it's a Orla, it's gonna be so if it's a Orla, it's gonna be -2 degrees. That's wrong. It should be wash go actually. So this is the end of the videos. So Port Elgin, Hanover is gonna be -6 degrees. So Port Elgin -6, Hanover is gonna be -6.5 degrees. So this is the actual end of the video.